week I'm testing the brand new Nissan Qashqai. Let's find out how good it is as a baby drive. And don't forget to like and subscribe and follow us on our socials. The child seat section of this review is brought to you by InfoSecure. In the back of the new Nissan Qashqai there are Isofix in the two outer rear seats. They are within plastic guides and really nice and easy to attach and connect to. On the back of all three rear seat backs there are top tether anchorages and they're easily accessible through the boot. Now surprisingly I could fit 3 InfoSecure child seats in the back here, which is fantastic. I have got the Adapt More, Achieve More and Attain More in the back here. And you can fit 3 forward or rear facing InfoSecure child seats here. Now legroom is quite good. We found in front of forward facing child seats in the back we could fit a 186 centimetre driver or passenger. In front of rear facing child seats about a 170 centimetre. To learn more about the child seats used in this video, just click on the link here. Storage in the back of the new Nissan Qashqai is good. There's a fold down in the central seat back with 2 cup holders. They'll hold a reusable or a disposable coffee cup. There are 2 mat pockets on the back of both front seats. They will hold an iPad but not quite conceal it. And the door bins are a good size in the back. They'll hold a reusable water bottle and there's the little storage wells in the handles too. There are aircon vents in the back of the Nissan Qashqai, which is fantastic for little passengers. Keep them nice and cool while you're travelling along. There's also USB-C and USB sockets in the back of the central console box, so passengers in the back can charge their devices too. Storage in the front of the Qashqai is good too. There are 2 cup holders in the central console. They'll hold a reusable and a disposable coffee cup. There's a wireless phone charging pad in front of the gear lever, and the central console box is a good size and it's also got a USB and USB-C socket in there too, and there's a little tray in the top too. There's no glasses case in the ceiling, but the glove box is a good size in here. That would hold my iPad and wallet in there. And the door bins in the front are good. They'll hold a large refillable water bottle with a bit of space behind, and they've got the storage wells in the handles too. The boot of the new Nissan Qashqai opens electronically and nice and quietly with just a beep. The boot here is really nice and flexible, and you can either turn the boot floor over so that you've got an easy wipe clean surface, or you can divide it up so you've got different storage areas for shopping and wet or sports gear. You also can remove the boot floor so that you can drop the boot floor down about 5 to 10 centimetres, so you've got extra depth, which is really helpful with prams. Let's find out how much we can fit in the boot.
Empty, it will hold 12 shopping bags, or a twin pram and 2 shopping bags, a double pram and 3 shopping bags, a single pram and 4 shopping bags, a compact stroller and 8 shopping bags, or a small to medium sized dog.
The new Nissan Qashqai is a really nice little car to drive. It's got a really nice tight turning circle, which is fantastic for school and supermarket car parks. It's really nice and light steering, and the cameras make it really nice and easy to park too. The media system of the new Nissan Qashqai is really nice and it's simple and easy to use and to navigate. Now it does have Apple CarPlay and Android Auto too, which is fantastic. When you put it into reverse, you've got a lovely big clear wide view behind you, which is fantastic, and overhead as well. So to sum up with the new Nissan Qashqai, it does make a really good baby drive. You can fit those 3 InfoSecure child seats across the back really nice and easily, and legroom's not too bad in there either. Also, you've got great boot space fitting a twin pram, and that boot's really nice and flexible. The drive is good and that media system is great, having Apple CarPlay and really good cameras.